All right, so you see that I've scooped the seeds out. So I've scooped it from, I first cut it in half, and then I cut it again on the outer half, but the rounded part of each half, and I scooped out the seeds. I put them in a glass. Normally I will put them in an old sauce jar or something, and then add water, and then you swish it around. Just turn it a bit. And you would do that maybe once a day as the gel begins to separate from the actual seeds. Then maybe on the third day you will pour it out, strain it, remove any additional gel, rinse them really well inside of a strainer, and then lay them out on a paper towel, let them dry just a bit, and then allow them to dry like in a bowl or something, finish drying, but you want to get the initial liquid off of them by laying them on a paper towel, because that helps to allow the water to absorb. So yeah, that's it. That's it.